Namaste. In this video, we are going to learn about Ashirwad mudra. So, if you are familiar with Indian lifestyle, so there is a common ritual or common belief that you should touch the feet of the elders. So, that's because the feet consist of a lot of sensitive nerves, so which also have pranic energy within them. So, when you touch, you get energetically an experience of what that particular person has gone through. Similarly, when a person touches the feet of another experienced soul, the experienced soul has to give their Ashirwad, which is done in the form of touching the top of the head with their fingers. Again, fingers are a source of a lot of energy, and when they do this, they are imparting their energy willingly to the other person so that they can make the most of out of their life. So, this is basically an Ashirwad mudra wherein you touch the top of the head of the other person. Similarly, you touch the bottom of the feet of the person you want to get Ashirwad from. So as you see, it's similar for both the person. So this is a beautiful mudra and must be practiced as required. There's no time limit or how much you must do it. There's no time limit or when you must do it. So you have to be humble to do it. This is basically a mudra that will help increase humility in a self, help the possibility of reaching to God faster. Again, whenever you bow down to God, you also make the similar mudra, and energetically you are getting some kind of feedback from the God. So that is the essence of Ashirwad mudra. I hope you learned something from this video. I'll see you in the next video.